Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, cause we believe in.
Sarah,
Sorry, Papa. Good evening.
good evening. Sit here. Sarah, I think you forget to say something.
What did I forget?
You forget to say something to me.
I don't think so. I forgot something. Anything else?
Sure?
Yeah, I think so.
What about the results?
Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry. I just forgot to show that. 1 minute. 1 minute. Where is it? Yeah, I found it.
You forget or you didn't say to me?
No, I forgot about it. I got really bad marks for science, whereas for English,
Sit here,
SST and Hindi, I got really good marks.
Sit here, sit here. It's okay. So, how you are going to qualify for need like this?
Papa, I wasn't thinking of NEET.
Huh? Then what are you thinking of?
Papa, I'm thinking about fashion designing. I want to become a fashion designer.
Oh, really? I think that is too tough. Look at us. Your mom, your father, all are doctors. And according to my idea, I will say that for doctor is the best profession for.
But Papa, I don't want to become a doctor. I want to become a fashion designer. That's my dream.
What idea you have about the fashion designing?
Papa, I don't know. I don't have any ideas, but I have information. There are a lot of information. There are many entrances, there are many books, and there are many online coaching. There are very good career precepts.
I'm not convinced.
Papa, please.
Okay. We can do something. Anyway, keep it this one with you. Tomorrow, we have whole day, right?
Yeah, it is a weekend.
And mom also available. So tomorrow we can have a discussion about this one. And we will discuss about MBBS, those all things to you. The all benefits from MBBS. And you can discuss us about the fashion designing. Tomorrow, you have 1 day to prepare.
Okay. But then, will you be open to hear everything I say? Whatever I'm saying, will you be open to hear?
You know about me, right?
I know, but then.
Then why
whereas-
you worried? Prepare for that. Okay?
Thank you.
Sarah, once again. If fashion designing is your passion, nobody can take out from you. Okay? And one more thing. A doctor can be a fashion designer too. Okay?
One more.
Comments, please.
Was it a stark difference? I actually like to congratulate Sarah and the father. It was excellent performance. I don't think anybody could have got a better sort of. So this is exactly what it is. So father was initially, as you could see, setting the stage for the girl to open up, rather than sort of starting off with a sort of negative note, saying like, what came today? Why you didn't tell me? Instead of that blaming attitude, father said, did you forget something? Maybe. And then the note or the stage was set for a very amenable communication. I think that was the first success the father did. And you could see that how the adolescent also was quickly able to adapt. When the father raised the voice, right, immediately you could see the girl also raise the voice. But when the father set stage for a very, very casual communication which could be sort of done, the girl immediately said, oh my God, I forgot, and then took her paper out. So this is a best example of how nothing comes from nowhere, from vacuum. So every reaction is actually only when you have an action, there is a reaction. So both of us are contributing to it. So both the father and the daughter taking equal responsibility in making the communication a pleasant one is essential. One more point to add only to the parents. As I said, in case your daughter or your son starts off with a louder note as well, being the adult in that sort of dyadic communication, I think it is our duty to step down a bit so that we can bring them back on track rather than getting irritated and escalating the situation. Thank you.
I just wanted to add one more thing that about career choice. Everybody cannot fit into being a doctor or an engineer or a scientist. I think it's important to explore different things and have plan A, B, C, where the teenager and the parents can sit and decide what they want to do. End of the day, you don't want your child to do MBBS and after MBBS say, I don't want to do medicine, I'm going off into fashion designing at that point in time. So it is important to be realistic about it and see where their strengths are and what is possible and make the child understand if you think strongly that medicine is what they have to do. But it has to be from them as well because they are the ones who are going to be the doctor for the rest of their lives.